Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard Bluetooth24GUSBC review. Is it worth it? Wireless RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard enthusiasts looking for a blend of retro aesthetics and modern gaming performance will immediately find the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard C64 edition a standout choice in 2026. This keyboard is not just a typing tool, it is a nostalgic experience fused with advanced wireless technology, customizable controls, and gaming-grade responsiveness. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for Windows and Android users, it brings together Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C connectivity in a compact 87-key layout that balances productivity and gaming efficiency. What makes this keyboard unique is its iconic Commodore 64-inspired design combined with modern hot-swappable switches and dual super buttons. Whether you are a gamer, programmer, or retro tech lover, this keyboard delivers both personality and performance in a single package. The 8BitDo C64 edition keyboard pays tribute to classic computing with its beige-gray retro theme and nostalgic design elements. However, beneath its vintage look lies a powerful modern mechanical keyboard built for today's fast-paced computing needs. Its 87-key compact layout removes unnecessary bulk while preserving essential functionality. The build quality feels premium, with a solid frame that resists flex during intense typing or gaming sessions. The RGB lighting system adds a modern touch, offering customizable effects that enhance both gaming ambience and productivity setups. One of the strongest advantages of this keyboard is its versatile connectivity system. Users can switch between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C mode effortlessly. This flexibility ensures smooth compatibility across Windows PCs, Android devices, and even tablets. The 2.4 GHz connection is particularly impressive for gaming, offering ultra-low latency performance comparable to wired keyboards. Bluetooth mode is ideal for multitasking and mobile use, while USB-C ensures stable, uninterrupted input during long gaming or work sessions. This keyboard supports hot-swappable mechanical switches, allowing users to change switches without soldering. This feature is ideal for enthusiasts who want to experiment with different tactile or linear switches to match their typing preference. The dual super buttons and super stick are additional highlights, giving users programmable controls for gaming macros or productivity shortcuts. This makes the keyboard not just a typing device but a fully customizable input hub. RGB lighting customization is another strong point, with multiple effects and brightness levels that can be adjusted to match your setup aesthetic. When it comes to gaming, responsiveness is critical and this keyboard performs exceptionally well. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode ensures minimal input lag, making it suitable for competitive gaming scenarios. Key rollover and anti-ghosting technology ensure every keystroke is registered accurately, even during fast-paced gameplay. The compact 87-key layout also allows faster hand movement between keys, improving reaction time in FPS and action games. The super buttons and stick add an extra layer of control, which can be mapped for complex in-game actions, giving players a competitive advantage. In real-world usage, the keyboard excels in both gaming and productivity tasks. Typing feels smooth and satisfying, while gaming performance remains stable even during long sessions. The battery life in wireless mode is efficient, and switching between devices is seamless. The retro aesthetic also adds a unique personality to any desk setup, making it more than just a functional device. It becomes part of your workspace identity. Q1 Is this keyboard suitable for gaming? Yes, it is optimized for gaming with low latency 2.4 GHz wireless mode, anti-ghosting, and programmable buttons. Q2 Can I change the switches? Yes, it supports hot-swappable switches, allowing easy customization without soldering. Check the link in the description to get yours today.